Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have Happy Meal. I won one of the February kits from Cheaply Chic here on YouTube. It is a junk journal kit, and I will put her link down below. She has a monthly kit that she sells on her Etsy shop, and I won one of the giveaways. So I wanted to show you this, and this one, I think it's called Forever Yours, and the kits usually come with a journal that she's made. It's a basic journal ready to decorate and always so beautiful. Look how beautiful this cover is. It's a vintage themed journal. Choose Love, that's what it's called. And so she has a vintage doily on the outside there, and then some vintage fabric that she has sewn up into a little fabric gather there, and this little piece of lace and a little tiny pin with some beads, and then it says Choose Love down there, and there's some vintage fabric back behind here that she's stitched on the cover. So little traveler's notebook size, really cute, and beautiful paper on the inside there. And so it has music sheets and tea-dyed paper, ledger paper. This one flips out. And so this is ready for me to decorate. I love her heart tea-dyed papers. I want to try this. I have a heart pan that I found at a thrift store, and I want to try that. I just haven't tried it yet. And there's a little glassine bag there. Some pretty pink paper. And pretty much the opposite sides of all those papers. So really cute book, and I love the cover, and it's tied up with this seam binding here. And then she sends a collection of ephemera and some papers, and so I'll open that up here so you can see it. So there are some little bags here that have, this one has some paper clips, gold paper clips in it. And then this one has some yarns and twine in there. Really pretty. Here is a vintage playing card for Rose. And then this has little pieces, some tickets, and little die cuts, little tags, some tiny little ribbons there. Oops. There's another playing card, a little math card there, and these a little flag. In this little envelope, or little baggie, there is the bookmark charm. This, you just lay this on inside the book like this, and you can mark your page. It's like a little charm bookmark, and then it looks really pretty when it's hanging out like that. Super cute. Here is a heart doily. That's really pretty. And then another bag. Everything she sends, all the little goodies in, you can use in your junk journal as well. This one's really cute. Really pretty print there. There is a little sticker label. A vintage Valentine. Really cute. That's super adorable. A claim check. Another label. Library card, glassine envelope, and memory decks. And then little tags. Here's an inventory tag and 2 regular craft tags, and she's stamped this heart image on there. And then here's another tag made with the paper and a library pocket there. So lots of fun things to include in my book. Here are some paper pieces. This paper is just beautiful. And then here is an old book page. And then this is a book page from Edith Holding. And I've never picked one of these up. No, Edith Browning, I guess. I can't remember what it's. Edith something. I think it's Edith Holding. But yeah, beautifully illustrated floral kind of books. But I've never been able to find one of those. I've seen them on like eBay and stuff, but just didn't order them. Here is a vintage little book page there, and sheet music. So that is all stuff that she put together. And then she had a subscriber, and I believe she has a YouTube as well. So let me put this stuff together here. Her name is Ya Lady, and she sends her little packets for all the people that buy from her, so she can include them in her kits. And I think she just does it as a friend, and she must have a lot of extra supplies, so she sends kits for all of, and puts together these little kits. So there's a little glassine bag, and there's a bunch of little baggies of little items for Valentine's Day. And then here are some charms and paper clips. Awesome. And then here's another little bag full of little heart stickers, little foamies, and some rhinestone stickers there. And then in this one, there are some trims. Wow, these are pretty. There's that one, and this, and then these eyelash trims here. And here is a heart doily, and another little bag of goodies. Looks like more hearts. Yeah. A heart doily, a heart, burlap heart, a little tag inside of an envelope. It's cute. Another little heart doily, and then little Valentine stickers, and a tag inside of another little bag. And then here is a fun, kind of a glassine, but sort of heart bag that I can use in a Valentine junk journal. So this is what Lynette sent me. She's from Cheaply Chic. So I'm going to put her link down below if you want to go check out her channel as well as her Etsy shop. And just, I love everything. Thank you so much, Lynette. And I am honored to have won one of your monthly kits. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe. And I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.